Subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Hi, hello, and welcome to yet another exciting video of Distraction Roots. Right now, I am in Kollam district and I am at a place called Chadayamangalam. This is where the Jadayu Earth Center is located, and yes, this is the center, the Jadayu Earth Center, and it is located here in Chadayamangalam, as I told, and this is around 1200 feet above the mean sea level. There you can see the lines for the cable cart. I'll be taking my tickets and take the cable cart and go up there to the Jadayu Para. I don't know how much it costs, but I will go up there and check how much it will cost and how it will be and all the experience there. The bird structure here, the Jadayu, has a world record, like it is the world's largest bird structure that has been ever constructed. And so let me go up there and check how it is. So I got my ticket. The ticket was like 238 rupees, that is for one person. So I took my ticket, that's only the entry ticket, and I'm going up so that I'll be able to take the cable car ticket and go to the Jadayu and see how the rock is or how the Jadayu is. So I got my ticket for the cable car and I'm going inside. Let me go in and check how it is. The cable car ticket is like 298 rupees. So I got into the cable cart now and going towards the top. I was just reading about these cable carts. They were like, these are the Switzerland model cable carts. It's made of the company called Caravatech. That's what is written there. And yes, we have started going uphill. It's pretty slow actually. Wow, this is really amazing. We are going up. It's around 1200 feet above the sea level, and we are going to that place up there on the rock. Earlier you could just climb up. In case you wanted to walk up, you can use those steps and you can climb up, but that option is not there now, I think because of COVID. So it's only this cable carts that take you up. Otherwise you could have walked. It's around 1200 steps. You could have reached on top you walking or trekking, but that will take an hour, I believe, and that will be very hectic also. But this is cool, calm, and just going up. There is too much of wind right now and we are going in slowly. You can see here the other cart is shaking, and there are other 4 carts which are coming down. So earlier I was talking about this walkway. If you want to walk up, these are the steps for the walkway. It's around 1200 steps, and it will take you up there to the rock of Jatayu up there. Wow, this is really amazing. This is the Jatayu rock, and it's really fantastic. It's really sculpted out really well, and that is the view when I reach here on top, and it's fantastic. So you can see here, all these are natural rock, and on top of this rock is what they have constructed this beautiful Jatayu here, and it is written here the Jatayu, and it is constructed by the sculptor Rajiv Anchal. There's a board here. Please do not climb or sit on top of the sculpture. Yeah, you should not climb on top of these or sit on it. These are the wings of the Jatayu. As we come this side, there is this viewing place, or small place like an auditorium, and I will climb up the stairs and check what is the view from there. Wow, this is fantastic. Look at it. There is glass put up just for safety, and the view is really amazing. This is how it looks from here, and behind me is the Jatayu. That's the Jatayu there, and let me go around and see how it looks. So there it is, the Jatayu behind me, and it's really fantastic. The sculpture, he's done it wonderfully. It's really amazing, and on top of this, they would have think about transporting so many materials and so many items to build this, and it took around 10 years to complete this. And in case you need to use the washrooms, there are good washrooms here. That facility is also provided on top. this is the kind of breeze that you have here. It is fantastic. I was talking to a staff there. He was like, some days they cannot operate the cable cart because of too much of wind and they stop the operation. So today I was lucky, there is not too much of wind, but this you can see here, my hair going around, my clothes moving around. So there is a lot of breeze and it's really amazing here on top. So it's really fantastic, the Jatayu Para, the sculpture, and I went around the Jatayu once and I came back to this location where there is this viewing point. I came back here and one thing I noticed is there are boards or hoardings where it is written don't sit on the sculpture, don't stand on the sculpture, but still our people, they sit on it, they stand on it, and there is security guard who wants to chase them away, who asks them to get out. You people are educated, so please don't do that. Try to stay away from the sculptures or wherever, not only here, anywhere you go, try to keep away from all those sculptures or just to safeguard it. There is so much of hard work that has gone behind it. It's such a fantastic place and I loved the cable cart. It was really nice, and so it's a really nice experience coming here in Chadayamangalam in Kollam. And this is Tom signing off from yet another video of Distraction Routes, and catch you guys with yet another exciting video next week.